So I have here a special repair project that I just received in the mail from someone who has been wearing her belt every day for about 3 years. And you can see that not only has it been lovingly darned, but it is definitely sort of showing its age. You know, when you wear something every day, fabric does eventually, it has a lifespan. So the parts that I'm going to try to touch up are the areas where it's kind of disintegrating. Here you can see it's like de-weaving a bit. This part will be real easy because I can just replace this whole strip with a similar color of fabric. I'm going to fix this hole right here, and I'm probably going to just reinforce. I'm actually going to add some interfacing across the back here to sort of shore up the parts on the other side that are starting to, fray and not look that great. So we're going to add some fusible interfacing, just give this a little facelift. It is definitely a beloved friend. You can see it has just been worn and loved some more. And it's great. I love it. I love seeing all of the action that people put their belts through, and it makes me so happy to know that they're so useful to people. So I've basically stripped it down, taken the big pockets off. We're gonna restitch all of it. I've interfaced the top part here, the bottom part here on the pocket faces. Lots of interfacing. I'm gonna reinforce here with more darning. This was a hole that I'm gonna go over with some more darning. I've interfaced that pocket as well. I cut the snaps off the front here because that really was not the best. So we're gonna replace it with a matching fabric and just have like a little strip at the front that's a little bit more sturdy. And here we are all fixed up. So there's the replaced snaps on the front. I redid the D-ring. I added a lot of reinforcing stitching right there. You can see it goes all the way through to the interfacing on the other side. So I also did interfacing down inside the pocket. So it's actually, the base fabric is sandwiched between two different layers. And I did the same thing on the other side. And yeah, lots and lots of reinforcing love. Did a bunch of stitch work over the darts because it was definitely getting threadbare at the top where there's a lot of wear in and out of the pockets. I restitched here, darned the hole, and then redid this side because there was a kind of a hole making its presence known. So, much better condition. Hopefully gonna last a couple more years at least, but I'm really happy with how it turned out, and I'm hoping that the customer is too.